In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Revolut account without using a passport. If you don't have a passport, or would like to use a different form of identification, don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so it's easy to follow and simple to complete. First, open your Revolut app on your phone and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see a screen prompting you to verify your account. The first step in this process is to select your citizenship. You'll be presented with a list of countries, so make sure you carefully choose the country where you hold citizenship. Selecting the correct country is very important because it needs to match the details on your identification documents. Once you've selected your country, tap Continue to move on to the next step. Next, you'll need to choose the type of identification document you want to use for verification. Revolut typically offers several options, such as a driving license, a national ID card, or a passport. Since we're not using a passport, select either your driving license or national ID card. Once you've selected the appropriate option, tap Continue to move forward. Now the app will prompt you to scan your selected identification document. Make sure to position your document fully inside the frame displayed on your screen, and hold your phone steady. Ensure the document is clear, fully visible, and well lit, so that all details can be read easily. If the document has two sides, such as a driving license, you may be asked to take photos of both the front and back. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, and submit both sides if required. After successfully submitting your identification document, Revolut will ask you to take a selfie. This step is very important because the app uses it to confirm that you are the owner of the submitted ID. Position your face inside the frame on the screen, making sure your entire face is visible. Remove any items like hats, sunglasses, or masks that may partially cover your face. Make sure the lighting is good and your face is clearly visible. Then take the selfie and submit it through the app. Once you've completed these steps, Revolut will begin verifying your identity. This process involves comparing your selfie with the details on your submitted ID document to ensure everything matches. Verification may take a few minutes or longer depending on the number of requests the app is processing at the time. While waiting, make sure your app notifications are turned on so you can receive updates on your verification status. When the verification is complete, you'll receive a confirmation in the app letting you know that your account has been successfully verified. If there are any issues, such as blurry photos or mismatched information, the app will provide guidance on what to do next. You may be asked to resubmit your documents or provide additional details to complete the verification. By following these steps, you can verify your Revolut account without a passport, ensuring your account stays active, fully functional, and secure.